Ni voltea tu hijo.
Está mirando para acá. Así ahora sí, dice.
¿Ahí va a cantar la escala, dices?
Te digo que va a ser todos juntos el...
Oh, ya se escondió el celular. Hasta en Madrid le dicen.
Escala.
¿Dónde está la Escarlata? ¿No se ve?
No subió, sí.
We're going to get started with We Wish You a Merry Christmas. This is a little bit different version of the song, and you guys are more than welcome to clap, stomp, do all of the different actions that we're about to do with this Christmas. They'll tell you what to do. It's going to be good fun. So, and sing along if you know the words. Yeah, let's rock and roll. Can we give them one more round of applause? That was awesome. This next one is not as easy to sing along to. This is Dominic the Donkey. There are some fun turns of phrase in this one. And so, they're gonna rock and roll. It's gonna be great.
Hasta atrás, atrás.
Hey, jiggly jig, it's Dominic the donkey. Jiggly jig, the Christmas donkey.
La escala está atrás de Axo. ¿Ya la viste? Atrás de ese de verdecito, mira.
Ya lo vi.
Jingle bells around the street and presents on the sled. Hey, look at the mayor's derby on top of Dominic's head.
Venimos instalando
We had the dress for Josephine, the label on the inside said I made her look clean. Hey,
La de pijamita, dices tú.
it's Dominic the donkey, jiggly jig, the Italian Christmas donkey. Children sing and clap their hands, and Dominic starts to dance. They talk and tag into a melody even understands. Umaras and umaras do they dance, da 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 dance. When summer goes, comes to town and winter looks right in. Hey, jiggly jig, it's Dominic the donkey, jiggly jig, the Italian Christmas
El viejito blanco de anda bailando.